This is a Mercedes GL63 AMG 2013 for the CarPlay. So, as you can see, it's all working on the factory system. So obviously it's using the original buttons down here. So if I press the back arrow, you'll see I can control and go through here. So on here you'll have your normal things like phone call, music, maps, Waze, so on and so forth. So if I just click on any one of them at the moment, so it'll come through as normal. Obviously you can search for your destination through the top up there, or you can input the destination on your phone and it will change the screen over to the destination. For instance, Spotify over here, if I go to obviously currently what's playing now, I can skip next and it all comes through. And as you can hear,
camping chairs and a lot of face paints. Great.
all the sound comes through. All works off of the original sound through the steering wheel as well.
And collect in store the same day, so you can party like a pro.
That's that. And then we also have through here, I go to phone or messaging. What we'll do is it will read the message out to me, and I use Siri through my phone to obviously respond back as a text message. This is your split screen, so it gives you maps or whatever your convenient maps are on one side, plus with your music and a search icon for destinations such as restaurants or petrol stations and stuff like that. You can search for it up here. If you need Siri, you're just going to press and hold on that button down there for a couple seconds, and once you release, Siri will come. So I'll do that now. So I press and hold, released, and there you go. As you can see, Siri is coming through, Siri is working. And then if I cancel that off, this will obviously support Android and iPhone. Android Auto will appear instead of CarPlay if you're connecting an Android phone. On this car we've routed the USB into his center armrest for him. So it's just in there is his USB that's for this unit. If you connect through that, it will charge and sync at the same time. So it's a lot better connection through charging and sync, but it's entirely down to your preference. This will automatically boot up as soon as you get into the vehicle. This will take over once the unit boots up after about 30 seconds, and it automatically will connect your phone. And that's that. If you need this installed or you want this installed on your vehicle, just give us a call on Car Sound Security on 0208 554 5554.